What's good with it, YouTube? Today we gonna be taste testing these Ruffles, you know what I'm saying? Ruffle Ridges, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, these bitches slap though, you know what I'm saying? Like, growing up, you know what I'm saying? I used to eat cheddar chips so much, like sour cream and cheddar and double cheddar and cheddar like okie dokie cheddar, like all that shit, like grilled cheese, all that shit, like. But it was like one time in my life when I was like 16, I stopped eating cheddar. I'm like, there's something about that shit. Like, I don't want that. I ain't saying I stopped eating cheddar. I was still eating macaroni and cheese, you know, shit like that. But I stopped eating like mozzarella chips and like cheddar, too much cheddar on chips, because it was making like my body like when people Muslim eat pork and they make they, I don't know why that cheddar cheese, but these bitches bad. You know what I'm saying? No, I can't say. Hold on. Now the Doritos, they're 8 out of 10. These, I gotta get these. Hold on, one more. Let me keep it in 100 with y'all. Eat a little more. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I can't really rate these. They're not a 10. They don't taste better than Doritos. I might give them like a 6. Maybe like a 5.5. I give them like 5, like a 5. Yeah, I give these a 5. I ain't really too much a big fan of them. Y'all let me know, cause in my last video, y'all can see I was smashing. I was going dumb. And that's not the Dorito video. This video, y'all see I'm just like, I don't know. Yeah, it's like a 5.5. About 5.5. I ain't really a big fan of it. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, I mean.